Right, just wanted to go over Excel. I'm sorry, iExcel. It's an amazing um, program. It's so good. It's so good that one of the good things about it is also sort of a downfall. That when you log in, there are so many things on the dashboard, and it can be overwhelming where to go. So if you are a student um, with with me, uh, we need to go to the right place. You kind of got to find it. And so I'll put a link at the bottom of this video of how to get there. But so however you enter iExcel, this is how mine looks. This is how awesome you guys, look at this. Look at this, 10,000 questions you guys have answered. That's so amazing. And it's only May. That's so great. Where you want to go is learning, hover over it or click on it, whatever it takes. And then you want to go to skill plans. And I pinned at the top all of the skill plans that are good for us. And so let me just draw on them. It takes a little while to load. So they have two for GED, and anything you click on these two will be great. Don't worry about the quote unquote level it's at. iExcel just does a great job teaching this stuff, and I get to make quizzes and all this stuff. Also, it looks like there's only stuff for 2 tests, but science and social studies, most of the points in the part 1 questions or the initial questions are the same question stems you'll see in the RLA test, which is awesome. Now the TABE test is over here too, and TABE has math. I put all 3 levels of math that concern us, reading, and broke my arrow, 2 reading and 2 language. Anything you pick here will be good also. Just a note, if you feel like you want to touch up on some sort of foundational stuff in math, that's E. So if you want to do that, it's not a bad place to start, but most of the test is going to be at these 2 levels. And anyway, same thing. Word of caution. There are some things on the TABE that are not on the GED, which is fine. Also, I'm going to type something over here. Here come the big letters. There are only 5 questions on the GED math test where you can't use a calculator, and those are the first 5 questions. And we generally know what those questions tend to ask. So there's not a lot of like dividing negative decimals and all that stuff. Maybe one question, maybe, but that you have to do by hand. So use a calculator. Use a calculator, because when you're tired, and you will be tired, do that in your head. Not easy. How about this one? Do that in your head. Or you could type it into a calculator. Calculator's sitting right there, waiting for it. By the way, this one is 10. 5 minus negative 5 is 10. I know that. So what's this? Do it in your head and then type into a calculator, see how it goes. All right, so anyway, that's done. So learning, skill plans, be awesome.